Alrighty, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out here at Fox Valley in Ottawa, Illinois. We got Alex back on the channel again. He's got his new fit. It's looking super fresh. Today, for the point of the video, we're just going to be trying to progress on the track. This is our second time ever out here, so let's see how it goes. But yeah, this place has two tracks, one being a kids track and then one being the main track. So we're just going to stick on the main track for the day. But without further ado, let's hop on the track and see how it goes. Let's get it. Alex's bike sounds so nice. Damn, that sucks. Well, yeah, this is it straight.
It looks straight to me, but it's hard to tell.
Yeah, it's fucked up. Alright, I'm gonna get off of here though. The poor start, can't catch a break. The bars are so turned. Now the phone's like all stuck too. Little sand turn. I gotta work on my cornering. Start feels like a beast on the track, I gotta say. Alright guys, we're making our way back to the truck right now. Sorry if I wasn't talking a whole lot. It's hard to like talk, concentrate, do everything at once. But hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, definitely drop a like. But until next time, peace out.